Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Poise Chica, and today we'll be making a video on myself. It's purely about me, get to know me better, and we have listed a couple of questions that you all want to know about me as I have never ever shared. So let's get going, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, thumbs up. And yes, I have my friend who will ask me the questions. Behind the camera she is, and she'll be asking me questions and I will answer them all as far as I can answer. So here comes the first question.
What is your real name?
My real name is Priya Pandey, and I'm a single mother of two beautiful daughters, and the name is Shivanya and Navya, and I love them so much, my babies.
What do you do for living?
For a living, well, I do multiple things, but to be precise, I do 9 to 5 job as every second or third person in the world, and also I make video YouTube channels, and I do all this all by myself, doing jobs simultaneously and then doing YouTube channels, making videos, editing everything. So yes, I'm into multiple things.
What made you thought of creating YouTube channel?
Well, yes, I am a media student. I always wanted to have some part of me which is purely into media field. So I thought, why not to start a channel where I can share it officially, how it is to be a media student and doing job, and also sharing some creation, some artistic of myself to with the world. So I thought of to create a YouTube channel.
What is the idea behind your YouTube channel name?
Well, idea is very simple. As I'm a mother and also a girl, I wanted to have a name which is a catchy, but also a very meaningful. So I came up with two, three names, but I thought it should be simple, but still it should be unique. So I added these two words, poise and chica, and made them together, sounded as poise chica, as you all can see. So it is basically means a person with all the calmness and poiseness, and also have some fun part in her. So yes, poise chica.
Who do inspire you in your real life?
Okay, it's my father who inspired me the most in this whole world. I've seen him from my very young age, how he balances his life, what all he has given us. As being a female child and hailing from a North Indian Brahmin family, it is not at all easy, guys. Please let me just tell you, it's not at all easy. And whatever he has done for me, especially for me and my family, like my brother and sister, this is the best that we can ever imagine. He's the whole and soul inspiration in my life, and I just want to be like him the best I can. I want him to just know this, that I love him the most and he is my biggest inspiration. He gives me the strength, what you need to, how, why you need to work harder in your life and to provide the best for your kids.
How do you balance your professional and personal life, especially with having two kids?
Oh my god. So if you look at it personally, it's very chaotic. It's just not as easy as it looks on the camera, guys. So I have to wake up in the morning doing this 9 to 5 job, also balancing my kids, because kids are something like that you can never balance or never manage. You have to schedule you have to make your plans according to their schedule. So yes, it is not easy, but it is very much fun.
When will we get to see kids on your channel?
Well, whenever they want, they can jump into the video. You will see them very soon. As soon as I get the comments and any request that you want to know more about me, and we can create get to know me better part 2, which will surely come very soon. So I will share some part of I will share the videos of them and what all they do when they are around. So yes, you will get to see them soon.
What are your hobbies?
I am into multiple things. I love singing, I love dancing, I can make a good painting, I mean, in sketching, I would say specifically, and I can cook delicious food.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Okay, create lots and lots of videos, and I do cooking whenever I want, whenever there is a time, and also a request from my kids. So I cook meal for them. I cook. I mean, I try and make snacks which are fun. So there's only two things that I would do for the rest of this life, and I, as a hobby, is cooking food and creating the best videos.
Are you a spiritual person?
Yes, I am. I am a spiritual person. I will not say that fully. I am in. I'm a spiritual person, but yes, all of us need to be a little bit spiritual towards a God, whoever we believe in, be it any of the caste and religion. But yes, as we look living in a kind of society and in a world where we have so many distractions and stress, anxiety we all are facing in our life. So yes, I believe every person needs to be a spiritual. So whenever you wake up in the morning, pray to God, have some talk about your life. That's what I do every single day, and I believe Krishna like anything. He is my loving God. He is my strength. He gives. Yes, talking to him gives me a kind of self consciousness that I really need. Um, in my life at this moment, I would say, as I'm struggling from a very bad past. So yes, I am a spiritual person.
Last question for the day. Any last message you want to give to your subscribers or viewers?
Yes, guys. So firstly, I so wanna apologize to you all because I was not so active from past 1 year as I committed that I'll be making videos, I'll be showing content, but the time was not as good as I thought it would be. So yes, I did take a gap, but I'm sure not at this time. I am going to give the best what I can, and I will not stop making videos. So please have faith in me. Give me a little chance to create my own world in this outer world, so that I can give you more of the best contents that I can. And yes, just stay connected and show some love. Yes, we answer all of the questions that we could. And yes, if you have any more questions, please comment it down below, and I will surely make the part 2, get to know me better part 2, and I will try and answer more of more of the questions that you have about me if you want to know. And stay connected. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.